So today's video is going to be a little different. Ultimikku video allaannerulaassaar vlog ikingulleet mupiidimingaanik. It's all filmed by this. Tassangaannik filmiliullattaanaapakka. Why? So on the filmiliortaartumupina when I have 5D Mark II. And 5D Mark IV takkuterto and 5D Mark III is the professional's camera. But I cannot always capture the story 5D Mark II mig. Unamarlo filmiliornissat, and it's so much easier. Tauro inglanini I can edit. Tamamanona YouTube mikkuteogikimli credititidosappasiusittut, and nipar saittuannangillat like this creamy bokeh in the background. Mubidi amerlana tamasinnaangillat. Tamattumi umingasriimik filmiliorngittayorpunga because I can't walk around with that heavy camera. Oqimaattorio taaruna linsiatunga qasunno utrudana 700 gram kidungayek. That alone. Tatamama phone adorlungo filmiliorngiunli taamatuingerlasayorput. So I'm making vlogs with my phone. Misilinikunginakkit soorna misilittarnikungalorpakka. I just wanted to tell the story that already is. And story is king. Go ahead, do it. It's okay. But if there's no story there, it's another thing about creating content. Damatut videoliornissat videoliortayornu arlaannik creativsuliaqarnaarsa. It's 24/7. It's 24/7. Eqqarsaatingileqartuannarpus oqqanorna tullian filmiliussuunga suna eqqartussuara tulliani. It's all ingerlaartuanna, but it's always going on. How are you doing, Sasha? Because I can't turn it off. And vlogging, blogging, Facebook, Instagram, video sounds. I can't turn it off. It's always going on. It's 24/7. Of the team is I'm gonna shut everything off. No, it doesn't work like that. And I'm okay with it. This is what I wanted. If I can't make the sacrifice to get the story, I'm never gonna win. So live your life. But hey, I'm doing well. So can you. Yeah, content creation, it's all right. That arlaat nuimanerusuppat taatamaassuatta ammutuussangatsingu taan qununarsisoortarpoq soorlu kammalaatit you're making videos SPS you're so fake. Yeah, maybe I seem fake, but at least I have a story to tell. And I'm okay with it. It's 24/7. It's always going on. But that's okay. It's all right. That you can shut everything off. But for us, it's something amazing is gonna happen and you're not there. I hate it. So hey, can you take a picture for me? yeah, maybe there is another way. But so what am I trying to say? It's okay. It's okay. Ilaannikkut tamattaassingin pisariaqartugun, ilaannikkut tamattaassingin oqaluttuarsartaqartugun. What works for me may not work for you. They wannut ajungittumik issorisara what how I tell my story. Ilaannittaamillassinganik oqaluttuassaqartutit. Ullormuilli iliuserisimasitit allariussapпут wanningaanni. And that's fine. I want to see it. So, oqaluttuarsinnaaneq, story is king. Susoqingippat ataatimittajaruit, no one really cares. So, arlaan pissianartum pisoarpat inortuingaissimaagui maaluunnit pussitorrallallunga ikiffingisimagukku. Tell it. Qunungisussaanngikkaluarparput allaqqaamullitu tell our story. Naruaa qingorpummi arlaan susoqarnerso. Naruaqano oqaluttuassaqarnersut. But that's the problem. No one is telling the story. No one is making enough vlogs, blogs, modern Facebook updates. Nama pudakwa, but what if it's good and it's not enough? So, tell your story, tell your way of telling it. And try to find your style of telling your stories. Story is king. Story is king. If it's good, tell it. Tell it. If it's something cute, tell it. Story is king. What's the big deal? Yeah. And? Yeah, that's all. Yeah. Tava. So, if you can tell the story, tell the story. And you're way ahead. They can't even tell their own story, and you're ahead. So you're winning. You're winning. Facebook, Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, Medium Squarespace, blog also good, YouTube, vlog also good. There's so many ways to tell your story. Everyone has their own problems. So, tell your story. Story is king. Because it's okay. It's alright. But tell your goddamn story. Thank you so much for watching this video.